As part of the implementation of the state program Construction of Social Infrastructure Facilities in Odintsovo on Marshal Krylov Boulevard, Moscow region, the construction of a new building for 500 students for school number 14 continues. The handover of this building is planned for no later than September 1st of this year. It will significantly lessen the load of the school's main building. Construction goes according to the schedule that was created in advance. You can see the builders performing in situ concreting by laying concrete in the base plate of what later will be a building. The concrete is supplied to the place of its deposit by powerful and reliable VILAZH concrete pump trucks. Now the concrete pump truck with a 60-meter-long boom is pumping the cement mixture. According to the project documentation, this building will have classrooms, laboratories, workrooms, offices for research and teaching methodologies, an assembly, a gym, a hybrid library, and administrative offices. The total area of the building will be about 12,000 square meters. Let's build Moscow together!